Okay, if you are given a function y equal to f of x, and you are asked to differentiate this, we should know that the y dx is equal to f prime of x. Okay, so when you have y is equal to in f of x, what will you do? dy dx is equal to f prime of x all over f of x. So let's take a look at y equal to in x. So what you do is the y dx is equal to differentiate x, you have 1, okay, all over x. So that is how to find the derivative of a function. Hi, let's see how we can solve this chain rule question. So how do we go about it? First, you say let u be x squared plus 5. Applying chain rule. Let u be x squared plus 5. Then you will find out that y will be u raised to the power 4. So from here, we will notice that there is what we call chain rule. Chain rule is dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. So what do we have here? You will now notice also that we have to differentiate u for us to get du dx. Differentiating u with respect to x. So we have du dx is equal to 2x. Differentiating y with respect to u, we have dy du is equal to 4u. 4 minus 1 is 3. So that dy dx will be, anywhere you see dy du, copy and paste dy du, the value. So we have 4u raised to the power 3. Then du dx means 2x. That means we have 2x. So we can now say that 2x times 4, we have what? 8. So we can write it as 8x u raised to power 3. But we know that u is x squared plus 5. So that dy dx is equal to 8x into x squared plus 5 all raised to power 3. So this gives us the final answer. If this is your first time of seeing my video, like, comment, share the post, and follow my page. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Bye. Hi. Let's see how we can solve this question on the chain rule, because we are still on chain rule. So what do we do? This is a function. Let's recall y is equal to cos f of x. Okay? When you have cos f of x, dy dx will give us minus f prime of x sine f of x. So let f of x be everything here. Okay? So we'll now say f of x is equal to x squared minus 3 raised to the power of 4. This time around, we are going to use shortcuts to solve this question. So how do we get our f prime? F prime of x will give us what? Differentiate inside, you have 2x. Multiply it by the power, you have 8x. Write down 8x. Reduce the power by 1, you have 3. So we have our final answer as dy dx is equal to f prime of x is 8x into x squared minus 3 all raised to the power 3. Then minus, you add minus because when you differentiate cos, you get minus sine. Then you have sine f of x is s squared minus 3 all raised to power 4. So if you're asked to solve this question, this is exactly the method you follow. And if you follow this, you get your answer easily without occupying space. Okay? So do not use the other method. Chain rule method is good, but this method is the best. If this is your first time of seeing my video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment, and share my posts. Bye.